Nick pick thrift, Nick pick thrift, Nick pick thrift.
The first thing to sell were these set of knives on eBay. They sold for $4.80 shipped. I paid 50 cents for all three of them here recently at my thrift store, so I'm happy with $4.80. I also sold, which I already packaged it up, is this. It was a small bottle of Proactive. It was actually expired. It expired back in 2017, but I did note that in the listing, and I seen that the expired ones were still selling, so I went ahead and listed it, and it was listed less than a week. The next thing to sell were these tumblers. I also already packed them up, so I'm going to insert a picture. They were just this gold 2 wine tumbler glasses that I picked up at my thrift store last, I think it was 2 Sundays ago, for $9 after Poshmark fee of $2.95. I did go ahead and give a shipping discount of $2.12. I earned $3.93, so I held on to them for about a week, and after my cost of goods, I made about $3 on them. I'm not really happy with that, but it is what it is. The next thing to sell I've already packed up were these Blowfish flat slip-on pointy toe shoes. They were in new condition, no signs of wear at all. They sold for $10 after a Poshmark fee of $2.95. I earned $7.05. I got them for $1 here recently, so I ended up paying I ended up earning around $6. The next thing to sell was this Reborn NJ, or just a Reborn. It's a dress, tunic dress. It is this green with this really pretty floral butterfly pattern. Just kind of like water paint, like splattered on there. It's really pretty. It's kind of like a baby doll dress with the pleated front and the buttons up at top. It is a size extra large. It sold for $19 after a Poshmark fee of $3.80. I earned $15.20. I picked that up at the bins the second time after quarantine. This I've had for a while. It's a torrid sheer top, and the back is like this open button detail split back. It's really pretty. It is a plus size. It is a size 3, vanity size 3. It sold for $15 after a Poshmark fee of $3 and a shipping discount of $2.12. I earned $9.88. I bought this at the bins, so it's super light. It's almost sheer, so it probably cost me around 10 cents. So I earned a little over $9 with my bring home on this, which I'm okay with. I'm kind of happy about it. I'm just happy it's sold. The next thing to sell were these Banana Republic jeans. I've already folded them. I'm being lazy, but they're a size 35. They're in good condition, or like new condition, should I say. They sold for $12 after a Poshmark fee of $2.95. I earned $9.05. These were in the palette that we had just ordered. There's also 2 more pairs of Banana Republic. They're just the chino khaki style. One's a dark gray brownish, and one is a khaki color. So they sold for $12 after Poshmark fee of $2.95. That was $9.05, and I'm super stoked about that. I didn't have that many sales today. This is actually a really slow sales day for me, and I'm super okay with that. I needed a break. I've been working my booty off, and even though it's still been a little busy last night, it's nothing like it's been. But I'm grateful. Actually, I needed a little bit of a breather, and then I also had a customer, one of the first customers that I shipped something out on eBay for this morning, contacted me, and the item never showed up. It should have showed up between June the 20th and June the 24th. It is now almost the first day of May, if not the first day of May. I don't remember if it is or not. But anyhow, she said that she never received it. Okay, that's fine. So I went back, and because I didn't know that I had to enter the tracking number myself, and for some reason, out of all 15 items that I sold, this is the only item that does not have a tracking number, and I don't understand what had happened. I know that I mailed it out, but I have some more if she wants me to replace them, whatever, or I'll give her a refund. It's just too much on my anxiety, and I've actually even thought about maybe not doing eBay just because, you know, it does play a big part in my anxiety every day. I've noticed, like, I'm just super anxious all the time because I'm always just worried that somebody's going to return something, and it's just, I'm a perfectionist when it comes to that. I definitely don't want that to happen, and I don't want to lose any money, and then I'm going to have to end up paying for shipping. So, yeah, it's just, yeah, I might have to just call it a wrap on eBay. I'm going to give it about a couple more weeks and just see if my anxiety subsides a little bit. You know, and if anybody has any pointers they could give to me to help me out with eBay, that maybe it would help my anxiety, just leave me a comment down below. And go ahead and like this video while you're down there. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to me. I am going to start posting more content on a regular basis. Yeah. I'm very consistent at being inconsistent. So, same time, same face, same pretty little face. Bye, guys.